Hello, this is Sarah from formsaddon.com. Welcome to the first part of a series of tutorials on Test Expander. Test Expander is a new add-on for Google Forms that will revolutionize the way you think and create online tests. In this video we will learn how to install Test Expander. In a new folder on your drive, press New. Press Google Form. Press the three dots on the top right corner. Go near the bottom press add-ons. In the search box, write Expander. Press Test Expander. Press Install. And this is it, we're all set. To verify that Test Expander is installed, go to the puzzle icon on top. Now you can see the add-on is in the list. In this short video, we installed Test Expander. In the next video, we will talk about the concept behind Test Expander. See you in the next video.